Hello students, as we have started our chapter The Harappan Civilization, today we are going to do the remaining topic of this chapter. So what are the subtopics which we are going to do today? So first we have life in the Harappan civilization, second we have trade, then we have a reasons for the decline of the Harappan civilization. So let's start with the life in the Harappan civilization. Okay. So agriculture was the main occupation of the people in the Harappan civilization. What was the main occupation? Agriculture was the main occupation. They used to grow wheat and barley. Which crop they are mainly growing? Wheat and barley. Barley was grown on a large scale in Rajasthan. Okay. Apart from wheat and barley, they also grow peas, sesame, lentils. Lentils means masoor dal, and ragi. So these are the other crop which they used to grow. Okay. Harappan people also grow cotton. Okay. And they also knew the art of weaving the cotton clothes. वो बुनाई करने का काम भी जानते थे. Okay. Now many types of ornament have been found in the excavations of in the Harappan civilization. Okay. So what are they? Ornaments were made of gold, copper, precious stones, shells, cowries. So these are the materials or the things, metals they used to make ornaments. जेवर बनाने के लिए वो लोग ये यूज़ करते थे. Okay. Now men and women both wore the ornaments. Men and women both wore the ornaments. And what ornaments they used to wear? First they used to wear bangles, then waistband. Waistband means वो जो बाजू में पहनते हैं. देन मल्टी स्ट्रैंड नेकलेस, रिंग, आर्मलेट. सो दीज आर द ऑर्नामेंट्स विच दे यूज टू वियर. ओके. नाउ वुमेन वोर बैंगल्स अप टू देयर अपर आर्म. ये हाथ के लोग ऊपर तक का बैंगल्स पहनते थे. एंड विच वी गेट वन स्टैच्यू found at a Harappan site presents an excellent specimen of their art. It shows that man's facial features very clearly. Okay, and you can see a clock with a beautiful trefoil pattern is draped across his shoulder. So there it shows that they also doing the artwork. Okay. Now trade of the Harappan civilization. Harappan civilization carried on trade within India as well as outside the countries. Okay. Now Indus Valley known for its high quality cotton. In the Indus Valley, cotton was grown on a large scale. That is why Harappan people export this cotton. Export means बेचना. Okay. They used to export this cotton to the other countries. So what are these countries? First they used to export the cotton to West Asia, then Southern Europe, then we have Egypt. They are also selling or exporting their cotton to Egypt. Okay. Apart from this cotton, they also provide them muslin cloth. They provide muslin cloth to Egypt. Okay. Now items that the Harappan people import. Now cotton and cotton clothes they used to export. Now what are the things they used to import? Means ये लोग बाहर से क्या क्या मंगवाते थे Harappan people. Okay. So they used to import silver, gemstones, zinc, rubies and deodar woods. These are the items or the things which they used to import from the other places. And from where they used to import these things? So they used to import these things from the Afghanistan, Baluchistan and Iran. Apart from these, from the south part of India, they used to import this. And they also brought this thing from Kashmir. Okay. Now the huge dockyard has been discovered at Lothal. Now what is a dockyard? Dockyard means an area with the facilities for building एंड रिपेयरिंग द शिप्स. जहाँ पे सामान वगैरह आते हैं शिप से, उसको डॉकयार्ड बोलते हैं. सो अ डॉकयार्ड हैज़ बीन डिस्कवर्ड एट लोथल. इट शोज़ दैट हरप्पन पीपल कैरिड ऑन ट्रेड विद द सी रूट. वो लोग नदी के ज़रिए भी ट्रेड करते थे. ओके. द ट्रेड वॉज कैरिड आउट ऑन द कोस्ट लाइन ऑफ द अरेबियन सी. अरेबियन सी की कोस्ट लाइन से, अरेबियन सी के जो कोस्ट लाइन है वो लोग उधर से ट्रेड करते थे. Okay. Now, what are the reasons for the decline of this beautiful civilization? So, some of the reasons are earthquake, frequently earthquake. Then we have invasion of the foreign tribals. बाहर के invasion means attack करना, बाहर के लोग attack कर दिए थे कुछ, okay, Aryans and all. Then we have frequent flood because of the Indus River, Sindhu River. There was a frequent floods. Then decline in the trade and the environment change. These are the reasons which lead to the migration of the people and desertion of the town, as well as decline of the Harappan civilization. Hope you have understood the concept. Thanks for watching.